Oh, yeah. We had freezing rain here, so things are nice and hard now. That's going to make this a lot of fun. You know, somebody's been here stomping on my jumps. Like, people see me doing this around the neighborhood, and then when I'm in the house or something, they come creeping up here and they're stomping around on my jumps. Like, can you believe how freaking pathetic people are, man? Like, I'm just saying, you know? Like, you can't go get your own hobby and have your own fun, but I see a guy across the street who's having fun on his driveway, so I'm gonna go stomp on his jumps. I'm telling you, like, where else does that come from? It ain't my wife out here. I think I'll rush to get that. She didn't want to roll that time. Okay, like, that was me. But I know that was me. Because every time I come out here, it's the same thing. And it's like, I notice it all the time. It's like, I'm not kidding you. Somebody is taking time out of their busy schedules to come out here and stomp my jumps. And I'm verbalizing it because it's just really amazing to me. That people got nothing better to do. Like, if I see somebody doing it, I'm gonna kick their ass. Like, I'm telling you. Maybe not on the sidewalk area, but up here, frickin' rights. Well, I'll say one thing. If you get freezing rain, that's the shit you want. That makes snow fun. Well, if it wasn't for the flower bed, that could have been cool. Nice. Crosswalk. Crosswalk backflip. All right. Whew. I don't know if I was going to make it out of that one. Oh! Didn't make her over. Hooray for Gorilla Tape though, eh? And I do think the Gorilla Tape is helping with the backflips. At least I think so. I could be wrong. Maybe it's hindering the backflips. Either way, it's worth it, because I can still backflip. I've lost some of my peak there. Thanks to whoever's damn shoe print that is. Lucky I wasn't out here. I mean, if it's some kid, then fine, you know what I mean? But you find out somebody's deliberately doing that because they see you're having fun, well, that's the kind of person I'm gonna beat the shit out of. And you may have noticed the self-righting function. Yeah, I don't use that. I would say that's for kids or idiots. You know, kids whose dads are going to fix the trucks. I mean, Traxxas doesn't care. Oh, let's put a self-righting mechanism in our RC so that they buy more parts and continuously have to fix them. Like, that's all that is. Whoa. I thought I could make it that time. Anyway, I think that's good for the Stampede. I want to leave a little bit out here for the summit run that I'm going to do before I totally destroy the jumps. And these batteries should be right at about mid-range which is where I want them, then I won't have to recharge. I should be right around storage. So just add a quick tidbit here about how I store my trucks in snow after I'm finished running with them. I give them a quick blow with that. Not that it does much, because when it's wet like this, most of the snow just stays on there. I pop the battery out, tap it like that, some of it comes out, and then take her over to the towel. I lay her upside down. And I take the body and just set her on top like that. And I'll usually leave it there overnight to dry. Your screws get a little rusty. I've been thinking about slowly switching over to stainless steel, but I mean, I don't care. Once in a while when I take something apart, I'll give them a quick sand with some sandpaper and just get the rust off them. But yeah, that's all I do. Full of snow, sit and drain.